is Angie, Singapore. We're making yam stick or chips. Here you go, is cutting already. Of course, must peel first, but sorry guys, I never take a film with that. But it's easy to do peeling. So, we do now frying all this yam slice. You can see in this inside video how to do or how to make light brown, must not burn. So need patience to do this, stirring constantly so that will not make burn or black in color. After frying, we add to this long hay Chinese pancit. I called pancit because every ingredient is cut in a long shape. So sound long life, meaning when they called long hay. This is can do only or happen during their Chinese New Year. So this is I'm talking guys. They call long hay like this. They mix everything guys. They got chili here, carrots, white carrots, turnips or the singkamas we call in Tagalog, and ginger. And yeah, they put all some sauce also. Yeah, this is also guys all the things we use to make the long hay they call guys. Colorful thing. There, ginger, chili. They got so many guys there to make nicer looks the thing. So this is all the things guys we add later to that thing I saw you before, and this is all the powder, cinnamon powder and pepper guys. And we use this one sauce. This is a raw fish sauce. Make sweet. We got sesame seeds, peanut powder or beets, crunchy thing. All this one guys. So this is the abalone flavor long hay guys. We make two flavors, salmon or raw fish salmon, the other one, but they are almost a same process to do this thing guys. Okay, so expensive the thing. It's anyway because the special day celebration Chinese New Year. This is the long hay guys. It's another flavor, the salmon flavor, salmon long hay flavor. So there you go guys. They got pomelo, peanut. This one the yam stick, carrots, and the crunchy thing.